research paper using R Biblioshiny, R Studio. So one of the paper you can see here, uh, this paper is written by using R Biblioshiny, a bibliometric research. So you can see every trends in human resource management research within tourism insights from a bibliometric analysis. It means uh, this this paper is a bibliometric analysis, and we have to find out what type of uh, software they used for this study. So this is the abstract part. This is abstract, and HRM is a strategic approach to managing people effectively in tourism companies. This you can see a total of 1086 Scopus indexed articles were analyzed, and using R Studio with the bibliometric package. So you can see here that a total of, you can see here a total of, yes, um, a total of 1086 Scopus indexed articles were analyzed using R. So this is visible, I hope. So it means this study has written by using R Studio. I have already discussed in my other videos how to install R, and then R Studio, and then how you can go for Biblioshiny package. Okay, so after that you will be getting this bibliometric package, and then you can bibliometric research you can perform with the help of R. So this is the research method. It is discussed. This study can be categorized as a review paper. Yes, of course, this is a review paper. It employs the bibliometric method. The bibliometric method enables researchers to review a collection of bibliographic records, including academic journals and related citations. All of these things here written here. And you can see here, fourth, displaying the data using bibliometric analysis software R Studio. Okay, let's check this paragraph. The bibliometric identifying research questions to focus the analysis and define the variables. Second, selecting appropriate analytical methods such as co-citation analysis or keyword analysis to be used in this study. And then third, compiling and sorting relevant data from academic database like Scopus or Web of Science. So, and categorizing this data based on specific criteria. Fourth, displaying the data using bibliometric analysis software R Studio. Bibliometric package to create visualizations like co-citation maps or keyword distribution graphs. Yes, of course. In key, you know, this title apps key is a Boolean operator which you can perform in Scopus. In Scopus you can perform with this Boolean operators, apps key. Okay, this one. When he or she is searching for the data for bibliometric research, then he or she put the keyword like human resource management. You can see here tourism and limit to publication year 2022. I will show. I have already seen a video how you can perform the limit to in Scopus to fetch the research paper. Maybe you are not interested to get the papers before 2011 or 2010. Then you have to do what? Then you have to do limit to in Scopus. You can refine your research papers, that I need only 2011 to 2022 or 2025. All those publications just I want to check, and then before 2011 I don't want to search those papers. So at that time you year, and then limit to publication year 2020. This I have done by the researcher. And then these are the subject area. You can see economics and econometrics. This subject area he or she has chosen for this bibliometric research, and you can see not my paper. This is not paper, this is not my paper. It is written by some another researcher. Okay, I have just taken this paper from a Scopus Q1, so that I can show you that how you can write research paper, bibliometric research paper with using R. Okay, so it is very helpful and very easy to understand. I have already shown you that how you can go through R and Biblioshiny, all these things. So here you can see this is the document search. Maybe it is a screenshot. It is a screenshot from Scopus. Okay, so this is the process of retrieving metadata in the Scopus database. It means this picture is showing the metadata, how the researcher get the database from Scopus database, metadata from the Scopus database, how it has exported. Okay, so all these things you can see here. After the keywords to find data from Scopus are applied, the entire data metadata is downloaded in comma summative value CSV format. It means you have to export that file in a CSV format. Okay, I have shown all these things in my previous videos. You please visit my channel and please go through with those videos, so that you can understand how we can export data from other platforms. Like after obtaining metadata from the Scopus database, the next step is to perform metadata analysis using R Studio. It means how the researcher has performed this bibliometric research with R Studio. Okay, so now it is already prolific author and which articles are most cited. So this information do not need any worry. Okay, don't be worry about this chart or the main information. This information is gathered by the R. Okay, R Biblioshiny. It is automatically when you feed the data, when you feed the metadata in R Biblioshiny, then it will provide this data, this information automatically in that Biblioshiny. Okay, so you see this paper. I am just in this video my purpose is to show how we can write research paper with R, using R. Okay, so I'm not going to show you how we can use R. Okay, but just I'm showing how you can write research papers with the help of R. Okay, or Biblioshiny. So this information is available from your R software. So just this paper, you can see he is taking the main information from 2020 to 2022, and how many source documents he has got. 1806 documents he found. Okay, bibliometric analysis which were published from 2020 to 2022 and sourced from 492 Scopus index journals. It means you do not have to do anything. Just when Biblioshiny provides the result, okay, just you have to copy and paste, copy the chart or the diagram or the table. Okay, those things you have to copy, and just you have to paste in your research paper where you are writing, and just below it you have to write the information that this how many documents you have you found, like it is 1806 documents found after analyzing how much period, for how much period you have searched in the Scopus database, like 2020 to 2022. So all this information just you have to write in a paragraph. That's it. Okay, so all this information you can see how many so many informations are here. Such references, how many references you can see here, 1,20,126 references the researcher found when analyzing the this metadata. By years, just this is all the outputs. See, all the output is found from the R Biblioshiny package. You do not need to do anything. You have to just feed the database from which database, what database you are using, and what kind of metadata you are providing to the Biblioshiny, and then it will provide this type of chart and this type of diagrams automatically by the software. Just you have like this annual scientific production, it is just copied, and then you can, there is option you can copy also. It means you can download also, or you can make the screenshot from snip tool also. Okay, and after that you have to write the figures, what the figure is depicting. Okay, all these things, describing all these things, you have to mention in a paragraph form. So below you can do this. And now, which countries are more relevant, you know, which countries are the topmost relevant to this research topic. You know, this research topic is related to HRM, as it is related to HRM, and their the researcher's objective is to find out the publication strand, or the word clouds, or the countries, what type of countries are involved for this type of publications. Okay, here you can see United States of America, you can see 855 documents. It means they are having so much documents. China 774, and the United Kingdom, UK 315, and you can see the India also 295. It is also doing good. So this kind of publications result is getting from Biblioshiny package. Automatically it will generate, and just you have to copy and paste in your research paper. After that you can start your writing. So now you can see other informations. The most productive affiliation, it means what type of organizations are related to the this field and to this area. And you do not need to worry of this table also. This tabular form is also you are getting from that software all automatically. Just you have to do, just you have to write those things in a paragraph way. So all these things I have shown you in this research in this video. All the outputs are provided by the software. You do not need to worry to get anything from another way. Just you can put the information in your research paper, and at that it is very easy. Just you have to describe those information by a paragraph form. That's it, and then you can write the findings. So you can see this paper is from Scopus Q1. So I hope you will be able to write this type of research paper also for your study area. And you can see this is the conclusion part, and then referencing, I have shown you one video about Zotero also, how it is useful for us. So all the information, if you want to make a call on me, and then call me, or WhatsApp me. So I have provided the WhatsApp link, or the email address I have provided in the description. You can contact me. So whenever you require, so I will help you. I will help you to write the research paper also. So suppose you are thinking that you are not able to do the researches, at that time you can contact me. So please visit my channel. So many videos are uploaded on my channel, so you can go through with those videos also. Those videos are very helpful for you. So I hope you understand all this today. In today's class I have discussed with R Biblioshiny or R Studio. So I hope you understand. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So please do subscribe and like my videos, and thank you, and share my videos to others also. Thank you.